37 years ago, on 15th of June 1987, the scientist working for CompuServe, Steve Walhite, invented the graphics interchange format. And a lot of us are calling this GIF because it's graphics interchange format. And the thing is, besides being able to store 8 bits per pixel and up to 256 different colors using 24-bit RGB color space, the GIF was so important because it was also able to represent multiple images in a file, which of course then led later to animations, and I guess this is why we all love it. But how is this all connected to my Samsung Galaxy phones, the S23 Ultra here and the S24 Ultra here? And even more importantly, why are we pronouncing it wrong? Yeah, if you want to find out, make sure to watch the full video. And before I start my video, let's once and for all clarify this. Because in 2013, Steve Walhite was honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award at the 17th Annual Webbies, of course, for his invention of the GIF. We all know the GIFs, we love the GIFs, we are using the GIFs, but the thing is, we all have been pronouncing it wrong. Well, of course, we have GIF, we have graphics interface format, so of course you think it's a GIF, and this is also the file name extension. And when Steve got on that stage to accept his award, he didn't speak at all, he just put up a slide ending one of the biggest mysteries and questions of the internet. It's pronounced GIF and not GIF. End of story, alright? It's pronounced GIF. Some people even saying JIF, but no, it is GIF. So we can look it up, it's all there on the internet. And guys, how is this now connected to our beloved Samsung phones? Well, One UI 6.1.1 was released for the S23 Ultra and the S24 Ultra, and it wasn't without any hassles. There was problems with the camera, other issues, then we received some other updates, and then even some security updates to bring this up to the latest security firmware from October. And this is the situation right now. And when One UI 6.1.1 was rolled out, a lot of people noticed that Samsung removed one of the most useful feature. Let me show you guys. This is the new Smart Select, okay? It's really smart. You can circle to search some things. You can also sketch the image, you can pin them, you can edit them, but you don't have an option to save them as a GIF, all right? And I know this might sound absurd, but yes, it was there before, so why the hell should Samsung remove something that a lot of people find useful? Well, they did, but this was until yesterday, because yesterday we received an update to Samsung Capture. Let me read the changelog. We have improved the usability of the Smart Select. You can now create animations, GIFs. The pin feature is now available directly from the toolbar after selecting an area. You can now drag the selected area to adjust the position. The touch range has been also modified to make it a little easier to adjust the selected area. I have installed this update. The version is 58564 from the 17th of October, which is actually yesterday. Today is the 18th. 57 megabytes. I also extracted the APK. I'm gonna put the link down below in the comments. If you wanna test it out, be my guest. And now I'm going to demonstrate the difference because I did not install this on the S23 Ultra. So let's say I want to create a GIF of this or this. Here guys, one of the first changes, I have the pin button directly here. So if I want and need, I can boom, directly pin it. Here I have to click here and then pin it, okay? So in terms of usability, probably a bit easier now to do it with the update, but I know that you're not here for that, so let me directly show you. This is Steve Walhite in 2013 accepting his awards, and his response was brilliant. Let me show you. I'm going to just circle this. He's saying it's pronounced GIF and it's not pronounced GIF. I will hit the create GIF, record it, and now we see it's pronounced GIF, not GIF. And by the way, the limitation is 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, it will stop and the GIF will be saved. So let me stop it right now, okay? And I can also pin it there. As you can see, this is indeed a GIF. I can press here to save it. Then I'm gonna go inside the gallery. Now, boom, it is pronounced GIF and it's not GIF. And thanks to Samsung that they brought it back. So it is quite huge, it's 5 megabytes, resolution is low, but this is what it is. So guys, if you wanna try this out, I'm gonna be linking the APK of the latest Samsung Capture, and if you have enjoyed this video, well, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And remember, it's pronounced GIF and not GIF. Stay safe.